controversy, the National Testing Agency has been grappling with allegations of irregularities and question paper leaks in the conduct of the country's some of the largest and high-stakes entrance exams, such as the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET undergraduate for medical aspirants. So what is it that is troubling this national testing body? Insiders and former officials News 18 spoke to pointed out that the body lacks a robust mechanism to hold such large-scale examinations wherein over 20 lakh students sit for the exam in a single day. This is also what a high-level panel appointed by the Union Ministry of Education is going to address, looking into the functioning of the National Testing Agency. So one of the first mistakes that officials pointed out is the bringing of the NEET UG exam under the NTA itself. It was only in 2019 that the exam was brought under the NTA, but after the approval of Union Health and Education Ministries following a Supreme Court judgment. Now, NEET UG is still conducted in the pen and paper mode, which requires huge manpower and human intervention at every stage, from the setting of a question paper to the printing and typing and transporting it to several exam centers, which exposes it to enormous gaps in the system. The second mistake the officials said is the shifting of the pen and paper mode this year. So even the UGC NET exam, which was cancelled and because of the paper leak on darknet, was only because it was conducted in the pen and paper mode this year, even though when the exam has been conducted in the computer-based test mode for the last 34 years. Even when the National Testing Agency was set up in 2017 under the BJP government, its mandate was to conduct online exams with the help of a high-quality technical service provider. However, the large-scale conduct of pen and paper exams is where the agency is struggling. The high-level committee, which met today for the first time, is going to address these gaps. That is what the ministry has announced, and also accepted that that exams in India will always be transparent. However, which is yet to be seen.